Alright guys, we're gonna do a DS-18 install right here. The back speakers. Let me go get them. Hold on. We got the DS-18, the 4.5. This new packaging. I wonder if these look different.
The last ones were pretty badass. So.
Oh shit. No, they look the same. The 4s. Or I think this. I don't remember.
Did the last one have a tweeter right there?
Yeah. But I don't know if it had this little cross.
Shit.
I don't think the other one said that. Look at it.
they fixed that shit right there. Look. That thing looks badass though.
Maybe. Yo, look, to take this off, you just take off the little foot thing. They're just little clips. Just pull them off. And then, honestly, I thought this was gonna be hella hard, but look, it's kind of easy. Just kind of pull it off. Take your time though, don't break the clips, because then you're gonna regret it. There you go, look.
Saw that. No broken clips.
No broken clips, maybe.
Probably, maybe one.
I don't know. It's chilling though.
Alright, so it looks like it's got a little tab at the top. I'm gonna try to pull on that. Hopefully it comes out. Alright, so Diego got it off.
Look, it's a Cheyenne straight from Mex. It's a little struggle, maybe not. But just pop this clip first, clip off. And then once it's like off, you'll see that it's like sticking out and you just pop it out.
Like this guy right here. So just hit that tab up there, press it down. And then it should kind of pop out. And then with the screwdriver, wedge it out.
So how he showed you on that stage, when you're right there, you just kind of stick the shit in here.
Bam.
Pop it out. Bam. All right, look. This is the old one. Look at the difference. Hopefully there's some bumps. This is the one that came with.
If you guys think this is just a face, this isn't the face. It's got the little piece in the back. Look. Got the little shorty.
Yeah. Put this one in.
Best Buy was the way.
So I turn up to 60. We'll see if it goes up to 60.
Alright, so we drilled holes. We made the holes. That way it's not hard once we put on the speakers. Got one wired right here. We're gonna test it out. Alright guys, so we're continuing the video. Diego went at work, so we couldn't figure out why that side wasn't working. We couldn't get the back guys to work, these quarter panel speakers. So I said fuck it, I gave up. I'm just gonna rewire everything and wire it onto there. So what I'm doing right now is I took the panel off, that way I can run wire through the back. It's coming down here. I'm gonna tuck it through the back of that under this, and then just run it where the stock one goes through right here up, and then connect to this one. Obviously this one's gonna come out, and then run another set of wire through that same route, come up here. Gonna throw a little zip tie here, go out that way, and we're gonna plug into that side. After that, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get speaker wire. We're gonna run to those two guys over there. There's a tweeter, and then there's another speaker there. We do still have these tweeters from previous build, so might throw these on somewhere. So hopefully I can have this done before Diego comes out of work. All right guys, that's a little late. Had to rewire everything, so we redid whole new wiring. Obviously wires in there, speakers right there, speaker right there, and the bumps. It's a little late, so tomorrow I'll show you guys how it's done.
Oh look, I found another button. There we junkyard. We're gonna try to find the seats, the full bends with the center console. We're gonna try to get the window mortar theme so we can roll them up. One doesn't work, and we're gonna try to find a 4x4. Try to find the front axle, and see what else we find. What just came up? Like a big old speaker.
There you have it. The neighbor got down on the seats. He cleaned them up. They look brand fucking new. So let me know what you guys think. Should we have kept the leather, or does this look fine? I think that looks pretty cool. It's pretty mint. We just need to get some carpet. Other than that, just looking better. We're gonna do soon. We're gonna do headliner. We're probably gonna do suede with the starlights and a sunroof. I think Diego said he wanted to do a Titan window, so we'll see what goes down. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, all that fun stuff.